Good morning, World History Cardinals, and happy first day of Black History Month. I just wanted to get you started on our new unit for this week. So join me at the home page. The first announcement on the home page is that we will have remediation for some students who did not take the Unit 1 exam last week, so you guys will have remediation and tutorial on February 4th, and the students who attended the January 28th tutorial, you will have your retest on February 4th as well. Don't forget the link is in the live lessons button, and once you see that, it says virtual parent open meet and greet. Just click that button and you'll be there, just like we did last week. The steps for success are still active. Watch the pre-recorded videos first, so you should already be there. For the students who have not signed up yet for the DBQ project online, I'd advise you to go back to the Unit 1, Lesson 5, and Lesson 6 pre-recorded video and watch it so you'll know how to join. The codes are written right here for Block 1 and Block 3. Don't forget that you need to stay in class for SEL and synchronous learning. And then when you are released for asynchronous time, that means you're supposed to do the assignments for that day. So let's go down and click enter here. And now we're at Unit 2. And now you are at Unit 2, so we will click Unit 2. And then you will see that you have Unit 2, the classical civilizations. So Unit 2 is where we talk about Greece and Rome and the Byzantine Empire, the Gupta Empire, Tang and Song empires, and then we get to finalize our portion on the autopsy or anatomy of civilization. The one other thing I would like to inform you about is the fact that the dates and everything will be added later. What you need to write is your goal statement in your notes for February 1st. It needs to be or said or documented that you will describe the location of the Greek civilizations and how geography impacted the ancient Greeks, how the city states differ from each other. So click the first activity and you're going to see a document. This document is necessary for you to answer, and you basically just click on that paper and you have three questions right here. Number one, identify the two geographic features that separated the Greek city-states. Number two, describe the two ways that mountains in Greece affected the ancient Greeks. And then number three, describe two ways that water surrounding Greece affected the ancient Greeks. You need to make sure you put your responses on this warm-up in a different color. Just remember that part. So read these paragraphs and answer that question. Next. The next thing you need to do is watch this video and make a T-chart. Make a T-chart. So it's not so much that you're reading page 1 of Athens versus Sparta, but you do need to click the video and take notes on the differences between Athens and Sparta. Put Athens on the left, put Sparta on the right, and just take notes. Next. On this one, the worksheet has been provided, and it's called How Did the Core Values Differ Between Athens and Sparta? So here's some other information that you can put on your T-chart. Just read it in columns as if you're reading a comic. Read everything about Athens straight up and down. Then there are sources that you can click on, and you answer each of these questions. These questions need to also be answered in a different color ink. Make sure you continue reading about Athens on the left and Sparta on the right and answer the question. And this one is for a grade. It will be due on February 3rd. And then you have a quick little 3-question quiz. Go ahead and answer that, and then you will be done. And this time for Unit 2, you have what used to be like America's Got Talent. So there you go. Once you see the yes, 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 then you know you're finished and you can go back to the unit page. All right, that's your assignment for tomorrow.